Good morning. Parameters to all fibre steps are set in stone when the fibre is built. This is most relevant to precompiled fibres. This example works because the emitter is set before either fibre is built. On the other hand, this one fails because each fibre is using a different emitter. The solution is to use a lambda. The emitter reference is used when needed, but not when the fibre is compiled. You could also use a class method, either static or instance. Almost all fibre built-in commands have a lambda version in addition to the direct parameter approach. If in doubt, use the lambda.